How to set up a SoFi account and get your referral bonus. Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. So if you have been hearing about SoFi referral bonus and wondering if it's legit, it is. SoFi offers a fast, user-friendly way to start banking and investing, and they'll literally pay you to give it a try. With just a few steps, you can open an account, fund it, and receive a cash bonus, all without monthly fees or minimum balance requirement. And once you are in, you can refer other and stack bonuses for every new sign up. So here's how you can get started and make sure you get paid. For that, first of all, you want to get a referral link from an existing SoFi user. This is required to trigger the bonus. Click the link and sign up and choose to open checking and saving account. The bonus only works with this account type. After you do that, deposit at least $50 within 14 days of opening. You can transfer for external bank or set up direct deposit. And just like that, your $25 bonus will hit your SoFi account within 7 business days after the deposit clears. And just like that, you want to go ahead and start referring others. Go to Refer a Friend section in your app to grab your personal referral link. Each time someone signs up and funds their account, you earn $75 and they earn $25. You can see it at the screen as well. And that's it guys, fast, easy and profitable. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end and stay tuned until our next upload.